Hey, this is Matty D with Matty D Media, and for today's drone guide, I am flying above Liberty Memorial and the World War I Museum here in Kansas City. And so first and foremost, I want to thank everyone in the military and all of the veterans. Thank you for your service. In terms of today's drone flight, so in this area, one of the highest demand pieces of footage, stock images that you can capture as a photographer or a videographer, not surprisingly, are the severe weather shots. And so today, in addition to capturing this amazing local landmark, I'm trying to capture some of the ominous skies surrounding the landmark. And the Kansas City skyline is right on the other side of Liberty Memorial. So even if you're not a drone pilot, it's an amazing opportunity to capture footage and images of the skyline of Kansas City, including Union Station, the Kauffman Center for Performing Arts, and multiple other landmarks down below. The lawn right behind me, obviously a beautiful plane to fly over as you approach Liberty Memorial itself. There is an airport downtown in addition to KCI, which is the major airport, which is north of here. So as always, check those airspace alerts, check out with local authorities. Jackson County has its own guidance for drone photography and drone pilots to adhere to. So stay safe up in the sky, and I am gonna stay safe and hopefully stay out of the rain, even though I am sweating out this heat right now to capture some of these images. Thank you so much for watching. Check out mattydmedia.com and our drone guide for more videos like this.